and these guys here on the podium, they did that in like between like 11 and 17 seconds. It's amazing. Here we are, the third place from Germany, Philipp Weyer. He was not sure if his weight was supported by the Red Bull can on the front. Of course it is. Receives his medal from Mr. Rubik himself. There we go, another prize for the Wire twins. It's Philipp in third place. And in second place, my co-commentator, Felix Zemdex, all the way from Australia. Looks like he's also not very sure if you can actually stand on him. Of course you can. Runner-up Felix Zemdex from Australia, and of course the winner for fastest hand from the US is maybe like the best, no, definitely the best cuber at the moment. It's Max Park from the United States. Congratulations by Felix, and of course by Mr. Rubik himself. There it is, it's the trophy. Big hand of applause for Max Park, the Red Bull Rubik's Cube World Cup champion in fastest hand.
Thank you guys, thank you very much. You can go, yeah. We're going to the next stage, yeah, thank you.
Yeah, so two of these guys we'll see again later.